Good morning, you guys. Good morning. It's your girl Boo here. Y'all, it's 8 o'clock in the morning on my way at Walmart. Welcome to another ride along with me, y'all. Let's go make 150. Y'all, today I have to work till 2 p.m. So I hope I get over 150 today before I go home. But let's see. Happy Thursday! Happy Thursday! Yo, I just got my first order of the day. First order, which is $26 for 18 miles. That's a decline. Let's keep waiting for another beautiful order. I know it's coming. After a few minutes, I just got a beautiful, oh my gosh, one of the biggest order, one of the big order, $59. Oh my gosh, $59 for 3 drop-off, and it's only going 9 miles. 9 miles. I can't wait, y'all. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out. The pickup time is 8:50. Let's wait for 8:50, y'all. Let's wait for 8:50. It's my order. Right, my second drop off. Let's drop off this order. It's a lot. It's now 10:35, you guys. It's now 10:35. I missed an order for 9. So I just received another order, $25. It's going 8 miles, and it's 3 drop off. My pickup time is 10:50. So I have a few more minutes to wait for this order. Let's go deliver our first drop off, which is 8 minutes. It's only 8 minutes. Right, this is our first drop off for this order over here. Oh, it's going there. Alright, our second drop off. Let's get this toy over here. Last drop off. Let's take it. This place doesn't look safe. Let me hurry up. I just received the shopping order, $21. It's going 5 miles, y'all. I'm going to shop for 2 people. I am going to shop for 2 people. Let's go. I'm done shopping. I was lifting the 2 cans of water, so I am out of breath. So you guys, I'm done shopping for these 2 orders. One of them had like 6 and the other one had like 5 items. So let's go drop for the first customer, which is only 5 minutes. It's only 5-minute drive. So let's go. I'm over here for the first customer. So this building here, it has a lot of doors. So I just called the customer to confirm which door do I have to deliver at. And she said she's coming outside. Because I see A over there and the rest of the doors. Okay, there she is. Alright. Let's go up there. Hello. Okay. It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Yo, they just gave me an order. I forget to screenshot it, but this is one of the order that I don't be taking. $13, you guys. $13 going to Mayo. It's a shopping order, but I have to shop for 20 items. 20 items is a lot for $13. Although it's going only to Mayo, but shopping for 20 items, that's a lot. That's a lot of items. So I declined that order. So I'm waiting for 2 more orders. I wish I can get shopping orders because I can do it. I can do them in and out since I only have like 1 hour to work. So please let me have shopping order, good ones that I can shop under 10 items, you know, in and out. You guys, let me answer this question here. Sometimes I get asked these questions a lot, like if I go to different Walmarts while I'm delivering. Yes and no. So if I am over here, like right now, I'm sitting on my Walmart. If I get an order, like I was receiving orders to the other Walmart that is 15-minute drive. If the order it's big order, like one of the biggest order, I will take that drive. But there is a difference. If I went to deliver and I'm closer to the other Walmart, of course, if they give me an order, I'm gonna have to take that order. I'm going to take that order because I'm already near that Walmart. If I'm done with delivering the order, I will come back to my Walmart. So I think that's That's, you understand that. Yo, it's been 1 hour without getting a good order. I was getting orders here and there, but there was such bad orders. There was just bad orders. So right now I'm about to wait for 10 more minutes. If I don't receive an order, and then I'm gonna call it a day, y'all. Yo, is it blurry? No, it's 2 o'clock right now. 2 o'clock. My shift ends over here, y'all. Today, so this is what happened. From 8 to right now it's 2. I only did 3 orders, y'all. 3 orders, and I have 106. 106. That's how much I made today, from 8 to 2. So thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment. I will see you guys tomorrow.